Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to export your data from QuickBooks Online. First of all, open your QuickBooks dashboard. Now go to Settings from the top right corner. Click on Export Data from the tools. Here you have to specify which reports and lists you want to export. You can add or remove items and set your date range to get just what you need. There is an option of pre-selected date ranges, where you can select the date to all dates, custom, last calendar quarter, this year to date, or last year. Let us click on custom. Now enter the start date and end date. You can also select all dates. There are more different features like general ledger, profit and loss, balance sheet, trial balance, and journal. At the end, you have to click on export to Excel. Here, boxing up your data. Your export has been done. You can save it on your device too. Now click on OK. That is all you need to do to export your data from QuickBooks Online. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.